Did you know the first computer bug was an actual bug? In 1947, engineers working on the Harvard Mark II computer found a moth trapped in a relay, causing an error. They taped it into their logbook, writing, "First actual case of bug being found." That's where the term debugging comes from. While we now use the term for fixing code errors, its origin is quite literal. So next time you're debugging, remember, it started with a moth and a relay. Coding history is full of surprises, and this one's as real as it gets. Keep coding, and stay curious.